So we just landed in LA and we have about a 30-minute connecting time, but we're just waiting the tax. Well, I didn't get much sleep last night. Actually, I didn't get any sleep. I stayed up the whole night so I could sleep on the plane. I slept on the flight, and we're riding business class all the way and back. All the cardio and all the rucking I'm done. I need to get it from point A to point B in less than 15 minutes. I think we made it on time. Oh, that was a ruck. Record time. All right, here we go. 3A. This is home for the next 12 hours. Yo, what's really good on my day ones? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are flying business class to the Philippines. Dope. It's my first time flying American business class to the Philippines.
Yes.
I've flown different airlines. It's my first time doing American, but got myself a glass of champagne, but test it out. Not bad, not bad. But I will get back to you once we're in the flight. So I'm gonna show you guys this little suite that we got here. Cheers. So, unbelievably, my favorite part of the flight is actually takeoff, which we're about to do. There's this feeling to it that you can't describe. Guys, here we have lunch. This is the Japanese set. In the menu, it says this is the Irodori Gozen. Alright, so here we have the Dainomono. And this is halibut with Japanese starchy sauce, tofu, cherry blossom petals, chicken teriyaki zucchini with cherry tomato, steamed rice, miso soup, and Japanese pickles. Alright, really quick before I start getting my bed ready, they give you an amenities kit. I already pulled off the tab, but there was a tab here preventing you from, it's like basically tamper. I really like these bags because you can reuse them or repurpose them, especially when you travel. It comes with an eye mask. I don't know what this is. Looks like some kind of, I don't know what that is. Got some hand and body lotion, a dental kit, some earplugs, and lip balm. I've not had much sleep in the past 48 hours, so I'm gonna get some rest. And then I'll catch up with you guys when I wake up. I just woke up to try out the chilled soba noodles, and that's what we're gonna do. Just eat this and go back to sleep. Get your pray. Amen. That was good. That is really good. Next time you see me, it'll be breakfast. One can only get so much sleep. And we have less than 2 hours before we land. And they're about to serve breakfast, so I decided to get up and start getting ready. There's a lot of other people sleeping right now. Man, I hate that every time I travel, like, I get allergies. Well, the only time that I actually fly business is when I fly overseas. Anything above 8 hours, I like to fly business because I hate getting to the destination really tired and my body's stiff. It's just something that comes with age. There is turbulence. There is turbulence. Oh my gosh. Look, since I'm in the Air Force and my job is critical care air transport, I have felt so much turbulence to where when I feel turbulence now, it's not as bad as before, where the average person would panic. This right here is not bad, but we've hit tremendous air pockets while we have done air transports, and those are frightening. So for breakfast, here we have a salad, and we have dotonbori, and we have a cheesecake. So we have been flagpoling for the past 30 minutes. We were supposed to get into Haneda, Japan early, like at 1:20 local time or 13:20 local time. And we've been flagpoling. For those who don't know what flagpoling is, it's when you go in circles for like 30 minutes before you're cleared to land. So that's what we've been doing. So I really have to pee. I'm hungry. I'm always hungry, but we're gonna go get checked into a hotel at Haneda, which is dope because they have a hotel inside. My flight's not till 0100 in the morning. So get a hotel, go get something to eat, and then knock out until we fly out in the morning. We were unable to get vacancy at the hotel. Said there was no vacancy as soon as I got there. So next best thing, we came to the lounge. With my ticket, it came with a Sakura lounge. Good thing is there was showers. I was able to get a shower in, and I'm currently just chilling at the. Our flight's not till 1 in the morning, which is about a 4-hour flight. So Philippines is an hour back. Should be landing around 6 a.m. It's gonna take me about an hour to get to Makati City. So my wife's already in Manila, so I'll see her when we get there. Today we are heading back to my hometown. If you've ever been to the Philippines, we are headed to Baguio City. So it should be exciting. Been in Manila for a couple days, you know, just to ease in. If you've ever been to the Philippines, basically everything is like you have to take a bus, a taxi, transportation, you know, some form of public transportation, but we're taking a bus to Baguio City, which takes about 3 to 5 hours depending on the traffic. But the good thing is we're gonna ride in a deluxe, or should I say first class, which is about $20 in US dollars. So I'll show you here shortly. We're about to head out, and our ride is until noon. So it's been a while since you've seen the waifu. Hi, waifu. You want to say something to the crowd?
Hi.
You heard it from her. Hi. Last time you saw her, she told you to hydrate. So in Manila, there are 2 major places to ride buses, which is Pasay and Cubao. That's for the main bus line, which is Victory Liner. There's a ton of other like bus lines, but me and Christiane like to ride Victory Liner because there's a lot of buses that go to Baguio City. Isn't that right? Oh, okay. No, I was asking for an opinion, but you gave me a fist bump, and that's completely okay. Alright guys, here we have some chicken balls. This is street food here in the Philippines. This cost me about $1. I've not had this in over 2 years. So let's try it. It's delicious. Officially on the bus, on the way to Baguio City. Christiane is working on a video edit right now. I should be editing all the videos that I've shot, which there's like 2 projects before this video releases that I haven't even edited yet, but we'll probably get to that once we get to Baguio City. We've been on the road for about 2 hours now, and we are somewhere in the province. We're way past Pampanga, but now we are somewhere in the province. As you can tell, it's a lot of farmland. And that's the beauty of the Philippines, is rich in farming. Such a beautiful place. That's what I miss about Philippines. We are officially in Baguio City now, and it's raining. Alright, Christiane's parents are picking us up right now. The rain is torrential, pouring like crazy. This is my birth city. This is where I went to college. This is where I got my undergrad, which is humbling because where I'm from, man. Never really a love-hate thing. It's more like I love this place.